About to take my new tractor for a test drive. Mission ready, INC. I don't know what kind of rim this is. Never seen that before. That's different. Lubrication like this. North Carolina, fueling up. We had the sheets. I had to bully to get in here, man. No, damn well I was going to. Oh man, don't say no truck, cause I made the clearance, but yeah, I'm had to maneuver a little bit to get up out of here. I had to fuel up. See how much I'm at right now. That's almost. 156 and counting. I put 250. Hopefully I don't need those 250, but if I do, I do. See the beast in the back. Russian ready. We over here in North Carolina. Gotta go drop this trailer. After we drop this trailer, it's bedtime. Talk to y'all later. So we got this mean chicken sub sandwich. That's all nacho cheese right there. Don't judge me. Royal Farms over here in Baltimore. Oh yeah, I'm definitely gonna push this. This look good. As you can see, it's snowing extremely hard. This day I was heading to Lancaster, New York. But when the snowstorm hit, I was in Haley, Pennsylvania, heading to Lancaster, New York. As you see, it was snowing extremely hard. It kind of took me by surprise because 30 to 40 minutes prior to me getting to Haley, Pennsylvania, it was beautiful scenery, mountains, nice houses and everything. This snowstorm came out of nowhere. It caught me by surprise, but I realized in trucking, you gotta expect the unexpected. I still enjoyed my 7-hour drive from Baltimore to Lancaster. You got it, 7-hour drive from Baltimore to Lancaster, New York. I really did enjoy my trip there. It was a little dangerous, but helped me stay on point and sharpen my skills. It's the trucker life. Over here chilling in the truck, man. So I'm early. This load on supposed to be delivered. It's about 6:30, it's only 12 o'clock right now, so I pull up early, man. I got an empty trailer. Got an empty trailer, so I try to be there a couple hours early because Amazon usually take the empties early. So that's what I'm gonna try to do. Sit here for a couple hours, maybe like watch a movie or something real quick with my phone. got my tablet at home, unfortunately. But next time I definitely make sure I had that. See, I'm chilling, feet up, wifey on my damn bed, man. Top of the trunk. But yeah, so that's the move for today. Over here in Durham, North Carolina. You gotta say it like that, man. Then heading to Petersburg, Virginia. Once I dump this empty, pick up a loaded trailer from Durham. From this Petersburg Amazon warehouse, taking that to Baltimore. And then after that, when I drop that trailer, pick up another one from that same location, take it to a different location in Baltimore. So basically, we'll end up in Baltimore by 1 o'clock. We should be done, inshallah. So that's the plan for today. Had a great night's sleep last night. About to chill, keep my feet up, relax. Y'all have a good day. We in Durham, North Carolina. When you in certain states, you gotta talk a certain way. We in Durham, North Carolina. All woods, bears, monkeys. Shit, it might see a pig walking across the street. We in Durham, heading to Raleigh. And after that, we going to Petersburg, Virginia. Then we head back to grimy Baltimore. Nothing against my Baltimore brothers and people, but you know, y'all know how Baltimore is, right? So yeah, we all here in Durham. Just took a 10-hour last night. Heading over here to drop this empty trailer. See it's attached. Empty. Be 3-4 hours early. Usually over here at Amazon, they accept the empty trailers early. So we can try to drop this ASAP. It's beautiful out here. Beautiful country life. What's up, y'all good people? Yeah, it's a line. So I can back. Yeah, pop. Red. Hard to do with one hand. Red. Next. Lights come on. Just for backup. Roll up the landing gear right here. Need some light. I need my gloves. death fuel. We over here in Baltimore, Maryland. Baltimore, Maryland, TA. Yeah. Got a short little route today. Ain't too far. Local. Baltimore. Probably going to Delaware. And here coming back down here to Rockville area. So we got a sweet little route today. I'm happy with that. So get this fuel, get this DEF, go around the corner. I don't see the clock in, but go ahead and get signed in. Head on the road. I'm at the Amazon Prime warehouse over in Jersey, waiting for my trailer. Y'all see this flashing red light in my mirror? That means the trailer's not ready yet. When it starts flashing green, that means it's ready. And it's fully loaded. So it should be ready in another 15-20 minutes. Ample space in here. Most of these warehouses got ample space to maneuver and get in and out of here without trying to hit something. Big warehouse. JB Hunt over there. You got the yard jockey, sorry. Heading over to Ashland, Virginia. And once I drop there, picking up an empty, taking it to back to Baltimore. And from Baltimore, I'll be going home for a couple hours until later on tonight, where I gotta drop. Oh man, beast. Can't do it. I'm still a rookie. But yeah, so when I drop this trailer off in Ashland, Virginia, pick up an empty, take it to Baltimore, drop that off. I'll be going home for a couple hours till tonight. I'm going to some part of Virginia. I can't remember the name of it. Yeah, that's the plan for the day. Hopefully I can chill for a couple hours, stay home for a couple days, chill with the family. I check with sugar people today. Still on the red, wait for it to turn green. It's my trail I'm taking. Look kind of, yeah, it might fit. Look too high. Last few trailers I've got was high. I had to roll down the land again. Rock a beat. Tan is already set up. I like that about these trucks. It's easy to maneuver. So it's still low. You see it's on red. I think it's not ready yet. It's on green. Be good. Kick the tires. Make sure I don't thump to it. Lights, make sure all the DOT reflective tape on the sides is present. Check that side. Check that side. They look good. Checking my tires. Reflective tape on the side. Lights before we leave, make sure they work.